Hello students, now again it's the revision time. Today we will finish revision of friction. So here now today we will discuss how to reduce friction. We have 5 or 6 methods to reduce friction. One by one we will go through polishing the surface. If we will polish the rough surface, then we can reduce the friction. That's why you have seen polishing the door, windows, furnitures. Its surface is made rough. Surface is made smooth by using polish. Number 2, by using lubricants. Lubricants means oil, engine oil. You have seen in machines, in engine oils are put to reduce the friction. Number 3, by using wheels. By using wheels we can reduce the friction. You have seen here trolley bags, there is a wheels, it moves on wheels, so it's a rolling friction, so reduce the friction by using the wheels. Number 4, by using ball bearings. You have seen this is a ball bearings. By using ball bearings we can reduce the friction. It is used in machine parts also. And by using powder we can reduce the friction. How you have seen the carom board, while you are playing the carom board you are using some boric powder to reduce the friction, to make the surface smooth. Number 6, by streamlined shape. By giving a special shape, streamlined shape, we can reduce the friction. That one we will discuss later on, here only today itself. So now fluid friction, come to the fluid friction. What is fluid friction? Friction exerted by air or liquids. So friction exerted by liquids and gases is called, it is also called drag, and it is also called fluid friction. Magnitude of fluid friction, magnitude of drag, what it is? Speed of the object. Magnitude of drag depends on the speed of the object. High speed, high friction, low speed, low friction. Size of the object, bigger size means big contact area, so high friction. Smaller size, less friction. Now shape of the body, now we have seen here shape of the body, streamline shape. If a body has a streamline shape, then it reduces the friction, and if it doesn't having a streamline shape, then it increases the friction. So it also depends on the shape of the object. Nature of the fluid, viscosity. If the liquid is highly viscous, liquid is highly floating ability, then it is a high friction. So nature of the fluid is also the cause. Disadvantage of drag. Drag is only not having advantage, it is also having disadvantage. It reduces the speed of moving object. Drag or fluid friction reduces the speed of the moving object because it opposes the speed. Object used to lose some energy. Object which is moving, it uses to lose some energy due to drag, due to fluid friction. So these are the two disadvantages of drag. To reduce friction, now we have some methods to reduce friction according to our need. Number 1, that is streamline shape. Fluid friction can be reduced or can be minimized by using streamline shape, given the special shape to the object. And you have noticed, you have seen, in many cases streamline shapes are given to reduce the friction, so that objects or body can move smoothly or with high speed in fluids. Some examples I have taken here. An aeroplane, you have seen this aeroplane, it has a streamline shape. The rocket, you have seen the rocket, streamline shape. You have seen the boat, motor boat, water boat, it is having a streamline shape. And the ship that is moving in water, it is also having a streamline shape. So these are whole related to friction. The last one. Now this is the end of this friction part. So you should go through all this This is the revision time. Already we have discussed. The complete discussion is already made in our previous video while I was teaching you. So now it's your work to go through. Just revise till then. Thank you very much.